Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game. Let's dive in. Of course, first of all, what I have to do is actually download the Unity Hub at first. Yes, this fan game will be of course a game made in Unity. So yes, if you don't know what Unity Hub is, just search it on Google. It will probably be the first thing that pops up in your search engine. After that, we will open it and go to installs and make sure it is the latest install of the version, and of course we have to have the Android build support as well. Then we will of course create a new project and make it a 3D core game. After it loads, you will see these, and from here you will go into project settings, and from all the way below download XR plugin management. As you might guess, XR plugins are generally the VR plugins we will use. So yes, they are the X Reality plugin management settings. It will give you VR support, and then after it's open, choose Open XR support. And in the XR support settings, we will go into the general settings and add Valve Index and Oculus Touch profiles and into our interaction profile settings. Of course, when you are in these settings already, we will change our render mode from the top of the screen, as you can see, to multipass settings to make sure it works perfectly. After doing all of these, we will go into XR plugin management, not general XR settings, the plugin management, and select Oculus from the Android tab, and of course make sure it's not the PC tab, and make sure it's the Android tab from the right part. Then we will go into Oculus again, make sure the render mode is multipass again. It is the same as the first settings. Also select low overhead mode from here while you are at it. When you have done all of these settings, make sure to save your progress, so in worst case scenario you will lose nothing. So yes, save everything. After that, we will go into the window from the top of the page and select Package Manager. From the Package Manager, we will select Add Package from Git URL. The URL is com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. I will of course show you this as much as possible. Then when you write these URL, press Add to add the URL and add their contents into the package. Then we will go into our packages, select XR Interaction Toolkit, and download the starter assets from the sample menu. Then we will go into starter assets, go into presets, and add everything that is here. Then we will go into edit, project manager, preset manager, and from here we will edit action-based controller to make it the same as your controller. As you can see, left should be left, right move should be right, but gaze part can be empty. Then we need to go into our web browser and go into Gorilla Locomotion GitHub page. And when you are there, download Gorilla Locomotion.unity package. When it is downloaded, you can just drag the file into Unity and then add everything that comes up. Then of course, to play a game, we need to create a map. To create a map easily, you can always just add cubes, add some particles, add things yourself, but to make it easy, go to the scenes, choose the drop down arrow, and double tap Gorilla Tag Locomotion. That way it will create a map for you and you will be able to just playtest your game. After making sure our map looks good enough, we will delete the main camera, then go into Assets, Resources. Then from here, we will add a Gorilla rig from the Gorilla Prefabs option. Just grab it and drop it onto the map. If you have done everything correctly, you can just start playtesting it when you connect your VR to it, or of course, if you don't want to use your VR at the moment, you can just do a free cam thing and just control it by yourself. Other than that, that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in any other case, we hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.